So we have come for a small picnic to a jungle shed and the family, and we will be reviewing this small kit gun, a .22 Indian Ordnance Factory revolver. This revolver .22 is a copy of Smith & Wesson model 317 kit gun. And the concept of kit gun, as you can see, was made by the Smith & Wesson in 1997, and it was a AirWeight model 317 lightweight revolver. And Indian Ordnance Factory in 2004 copied it and made this one. As you can see in this, it's a J frame, so you have to, unlike a break open revolver in which you have to open it, in this you just have to push this button. It's a J frame, so the chamber will slide out. Now it's filled with 8 rounds. It's a 8 chambered revolver. Now it fires this .22, as you can see. It's .22 long rifle ammunition. .22 long rifle ammunition and 8 chambered revolver. This goes in like this, comes out like this.
खड़े होना पड़ेगा आपको, आपकी हाइट वैसे कम है, मेरी ज़्यादा है। ये येलो आपके मुंह पे आना चाहिए।
.22 Indian Ordnance Factory revolver, based on Smith & Wesson. It's based on Smith & Wesson model 317 Airlight kit gun. Why it was called kit gun? This kit gun concept, it was so small that it could just fit inside a small kit bag like this. Come for a picnic, got this kit bag, and this weapon can just, you can see, it's so small that it can just fit inside this kit bag very easily, and you're off to go. And in case of threat, you can put this holster on your belt and you're all set to go.